Buying a home is one of the biggest purchases you'll ever make, and homeowners insurance is what protects that investment. Think of it as your safety net. Thanks for joining me today. I am Rosa Helen with Compass. What does home insurance do for a homeowner? It covers repairs and rebuilding costs. If your home is damaged by fire, storms, or other covered events, it protects your belongings like furniture, electronics, jewelry, and clothing if they're stolen or damaged. And it provides liability coverage. For example, if someone gets injured on your property, your policy can help cover medical bills or legal expenses. But that peace of mind does come with a cost, and lately, these costs have been rising. There are a number of factors causing insurance premiums to rise today, but in the simplest sense, here's what's driving prices up according to the Insurance Research Council. Severe weather events and natural disasters are happening increasingly often, leading to more claims. At the same time, home building materials and labor are far more expensive, so when it comes time to work on those claims, insurers have to manage higher costs to repair or rebuild the affected homes. That combination adds up to higher premiums. You can see how it's climbed recently in this graph. Each bar marks the percentage increase in insurance costs for that calendar year. The good news is the annual pace of the increase may be starting to ease according to Resi Club and Cotality. By their count, in 2023 and 24, insurance costs went up 14% a year. In 2025, they rose about 10%, and in 2026 and 2027, it's expected to go up about 8% each year. That's still an increase, but at least the pace is slowing down, and here's another silver lining. While insurance costs are rising, mortgage rates are expected to fall, and that can help offset some of this expense. As Michael Gaines, Senior VP of Capital Markets, Cardinal Financial explains, rising taxes and insurance do create pressure, but they don't erase the benefits of a lower rate. A small rate improvement paired with the right loan program and smart planning can still make home ownership possible. It's less about one factor canceling another out and more about helping buyers layer the right solutions together. Costs are going to be different depending on where you buy, so how much do you need to budget for this? It depends on the price point and location of the house, the coverage you need, and more. And just like everything else in real estate, costs vary by area. You can get a rough idea of your state's typical premiums in this map. You can see that the national average cost of home insurance is $2,358 per year. Relatively speaking, California's cost of home insurance is much lower than states like Texas, which is almost $4,000 on average, and Florida is about $5,800. Generally speaking, your first insurance payment will be wrapped into your closing costs, but after that, it will become a recurring expense. That's why knowing these premiums are rising is so important. It helps you factor into your budget so you go in with a full picture of what you can comfortably afford. If you're crunching the numbers and trying to find other ways to save, here are a few tips from Insurify and NerdWallet that can help you get the best possible insurance price. Shop around by comparing quotes from multiple companies. Bundle policies by combining home and auto for discounts. Ask about discounts and don't miss out on savings you may qualify for. Highlight upgrades. Features like a new roof and storm windows can cut costs and improve your credit score. A stronger credit score can mean better premiums. If you're thinking about buying a home, don't forget to plan ahead for your homeowner's insurance. While costs are rising, knowing what to expect and how to shop around can make a big difference as you're budgeting for your purchase. Because this isn't coverage you'll want to skimp on, it's your best protection for what's likely your biggest investment. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Rosa Helen, offering you peace of mind in all your real estate needs.